Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Indian Recipes. In today's video, we are going to see homemade wheat noodles, and this noodle I am going to cook in South Indian style. So let's start cooking. First, in a bowl, I am going to take 2 cups of wheat flour, and this 2 cup is enough for 2 adults. Now I am going to add some salt for taste and also adding some pinch of turmeric powder. This is for color purpose only. If you are having food color, you can also add it. And now pour some warm water and mix it well, and we are going to make a dough. This dough consistency should be like a pizza dough. See how soft the dough was. And now we are going to take a tool. Here we are having a snacks maker with 12 dies, and I am going to use this die because this one is useful for making noodles. I have divided that dough into 3 pieces. Now I am going to add that dough in that machine, and I am going to squeeze it now. I'm going to squeeze it directly in this hot water. The water should be boiled well, otherwise the dough will be dissolved. So squeeze it now. While we squeezing, the flame should be in low flame. After squeezing, we have to keep it in medium flame and cook it for 2 minutes. Now after 3 minutes, we are going to take it out, the noodles, and we are going to add it in normal water. So while adding like this, the noodles will be non-sticky. And in this normal water, we have to keep it aside for 1 to 2 minutes. And again I am squeezing the second balls. In the same process, you have to squeeze all the doughs. And after 1 to 2 minutes, we have to take it out and filter the water and transfer to a plate. See, after all processing completed, this much noodles I got from the dough. Now we are going to cook it in South Indian style. Usually noodles will be cooked in Chinese style in India, but today I am going to try in South Indian style. First of all, take a pan and pour some oil. Oil should be 3 spoons, and after oil get heated, I am going to add some curry leaves, and now going to add 1 chopped onion, medium size onion, chopped onion. And now stir it well. And after the onion color change slightly, we are going to add tomatoes. Tomatoes, I am taking 2 tomatoes and finely chopped. So I am adding it and stir it well. Now I am going to add some salt for taste. Already I have added salt in that noodles, and this salt is only for this masala. Now I am going to add spices, 1 chili and half spoon of chili powder. Now I am going to mix it well, and I am going to add garam masala. Garam masala, actually this powder is we are getting ready-made powder. You can also get it from Indian shops, and this powder is nothing but soap, cinnamon and star anise, bay leaves, etc. are added as powdered form. So mix it well, and now the masala is ready. In this stage we going to add ginger garlic paste. Again stir it well for 1 minute, and then we can add noodles which we have already cooked. So adding that noodles, and we have to mix it well, and the masala should be coated well with that noodles. See how that masala is coating. So mix it well. All the flavors I have added in this noodles is the flavors commonly used in all South Indian dishes. So I have mixed it well, and final touch I am going to add chopped coriander leaves. This coriander leaf in final touch gives a complete South Indian flavor. So now it's time to serve. Look at the plate, how delicious it was. I am really feeling very tempting, and if you do, don't waste the time. Prepare these noodles yourself and enjoy your food. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with a delicious recipe video. So bye bye from Amrita.